Welcome to your GCSE Geography course, and congratulations on choosing a great option. Geography is about the world around us, the physical or natural world, and human geography is about how we live and interact with each other and with nature. You will learn a wide range of skills and become a more informed global citizen. In this video, I will talk you through the structure of the course and show you some examples of some GCSE Geography exam questions. For your Geography qualification at FCC, we use the AQA exam board. There are 3 exams and there will be no coursework. Your GCSE Geography course is divided into 3 units, each with an exam at the end of Year 11. Unit 1 comprises of all the physical geography and is divided into 3 sections: natural hazards, the living world, and physical landscapes, which includes coastal and river landscapes. Unit 2, the second exam, comprises of all the human geography and again is divided into 3 sections: urban challenges, the changing economic world, and the challenge of resource management. Unit 3, the third exam, is divided into 2 sections, one of which is an issue evaluation. The exam board will produce a booklet based on a controversial issue and you will be asked questions about that issue in the exam. The second part of Unit 3 is about fieldwork, and I will talk to you a bit more about fieldwork in the following slides. You will notice that lots of these topics we've covered in Year 7, Year 8 and Year 9, and what we do at GCSE is build on the knowledge that you've gained in those topics already. Some of the topics will be new to you, some of them you will recognise. This is a picture of the course textbook that you'll be using in lessons, and on the right there's a picture of the front cover of the accompanying revision guide. Both textbooks are excellent in covering the course content, and also they cover the case studies that you'll be learning about in lessons. Geography field trips and fieldwork. There are 2 compulsory day-based geography field trips that you'll attend during Year 10 and 11. One of these field trips will be based on a physical geography topic, and we study the beaches in Christchurch Bay. The other will be on a human geography topic, and we study regeneration in Bristol city centre. Fieldwork will be completed, data will be collected on these trips, and they will form part of your assessment in the Unit 3 exam. For the physical geography fieldwork, we compare beaches in Christchurch Bay. We collect data to look for evidence for longshore drift. For the human geography fieldwork, when we visit Bristol city centre, we're asking questions like: how has the city changed? Has the regeneration been a success? If so, why not? And these questions will be assessed in the Unit 3 exam. Here's an example of a 2-mark question in the Unit 1 paper. It's a physical geography question and it's a multiple choice. Here's an example of a 4-mark question, again in the Unit 1 exam. Lots of the questions you're giving resources such as photographs, maps and diagrams. Here's an example of a 9-mark question on the Unit 2 paper. There will be 2 9-mark questions on each paper. Here's an example of a 1-mark question in the Unit 3 paper with the resource of a map. Here's an example of some fieldwork questions that you'll be given in the Unit 3 paper. This is an example of the issue evaluation. The exam board will pre-release a booklet 12 weeks before the exam. We'll have time in lesson in school, and you'll need to do some work at home on learning about the issue. The issue changes each year, and we don't know what the topic will be until the booklet is released by the exam board. This is just one example of a possible topic. Usually there's some conflict of interest and there's a decision to be made, so you need to weigh up both sides of an argument and decide which one you agree with the most and write an essay type answer to explain your reasoning. Here are some of the skills that we'll be covering in Year 10 and 11. Some of these skills you'll recognise, some of them that we've covered in Year 7, 8 and 9. But again, we'll be building on these and practicing them in the context of answering exam questions. Employers and further and higher education institutions value geography qualifications for these reasons. Geographers can ask questions and find out answers. Geographers make decisions. Geographers are good at analysing, solving problems and thinking independently. We're good communicators. We're environmentally aware. We're good problem solvers and good team players, all of which are qualities that employers and educational institutions value. So that's the basics of the GCSE geography course, and we look forward to teaching you in September.